Ladies and gentlemen, we have a map of Giga Mexico, and I'll tell you a bit more of what's happening here, but first, let's take a look into some of the questions that I got quite frequently over the past few videos, and those are, where is this located? So if we take a wider look and see Texas and Nuevo Leon, we can see that Giga Texas, the lithium refinery, and Starbase are all within a few hours drive. So it's not hard, it's just a couple hours south of the border, the Texas border, of course. Now, if we take a closer look into the Monterey area, if you fly in, remember to use the MTY airport code. That will take you to the right place. You don't want to end up in Monterey, California. And from there, it's just a drive, but it's less than an hour, so it's not that far from the airport. Now, getting a closer look into the actual place where the Gigafactory is, let me show you. This is the area of the site. That red area is just about 16 to 17% of the whole place, so the whole other area, it's gonna be available for future use. Now, looking into the site, what we have here is a permission area we got. That's the red place in the map. And also, looking into the permissions or the requests, we see that this orange area, it's going to be an earth bank or dirt bank where all of the fertile ground that comes from the construction is going to be stored there. Then we have this green area where we're going to have a greenhouse where seeds and small plants are going to be stored while the construction happens, and then they're going to be available for us to transfer to their final place once the construction is finalized. And this yellow area is the place where the trees and plants are going to be moved outside of the site and be transplanted so they can be saved from the construction. Now, another question that I got a lot was regarding train, and this is where the train passes. That's the closest line from the site. I was taking a closer look around and found out the closest train spur happens to be northeast of the site. So I have heard the governor say that they're going to be bringing train to the site, so I think this is like the closest guess of where that is going to come from. So this is a short video. Thank you to my patrons for supporting me, and thank you for sharing and liking the video. I will have more flyovers over the next few days. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you on the next one.